In today's competitive nonprofit landscape, securing and managing donations efficiently is more important than ever. Traditional fundraising platforms often come with transaction fees, cutting into the funds nonprofits need to support their causes. Additionally, donor engagement, campaign management, and reporting can become overwhelming without the right tools. Zeffy is a 100% free fundraising platform designed specifically for nonprofits, ensuring that organizations receive every dollar donated. Unlike most platforms that deduct processing or transaction fees, Zeffy operates entirely on optional donor contributions, making it a truly cost-effective solution. In this video, we'll explore how to use Zeffy, its key features, and why it's an excellent choice for nonprofits looking to optimize their fundraising and donor management strategies. For its key features, first is the zero transaction fees. Zeffy stands out from other fundraising platforms by charging no transaction, credit card processing, or platform fees. Nonprofits keep the 100% of all donations, which can make a significant difference in their fundraising goals. Every dollar raised goes directly to the nonprofit's cause, maximizing fundraising efficiency and impact. Another key feature is the customizable donation forms. Zeffy allows nonprofits to create branded and user friendly donation forms that support one time, recurring, and membership based giving. These forms can be embedded on websites or shared by social media and email campaigns. This provides a seamless donation experience, increasing donor trust and conversion rates. Another key feature is the event ticketing and fundraising campaigns. Zeffy simplifies event management by enabling nonprofits to sell tickets for fundraising events, galas, and charity runs. Organizations can also launch crowdfunding initiatives and peer to peer fundraising campaigns. This expands fundraising opportunities while keeping ticket sales, registrations, and donations in one centralized system. Another key feature is the automated donor management. Managing donor relationships is crucial for long term fundraising success. Zeffy provides built in donor tracking, automated tax receipt generation, and engagement tools to maintain and nurture donor relationships. This saves time and strengthens donor retention by automating communications, acknowledgements, and reporting. Another key feature is the recurring donations and memberships. Sustained giving programs are a key revenue stream for many nonprofits. Zeffy makes it easy to set up and manage recurring donations, as well as membership programs with automatic renewals. This provides a predictable and steady income source, helping organizations plan for the future. Another key feature is the integrated raffles and auctions. Zeffy offers built-in tools for running raffles, sweepstakes, and silent auctions, allowing nonprofits to engage donors in new and exciting ways. This increases donor participation and diversifies fundraising methods, leading to higher overall contributions. Another key feature is the peer-to-peer fundraising. With Zeffy, organizations can empower their supporters to become fundraisers by setting up peer to peer campaigns where individuals raise funds on behalf of the nonprofit. This expands reach and donor engagement, leveraging personal networks to drive more contributions. So, why is Zeffy a great choice? Zeffy is transforming the nonprofit fundraising space with its truly fee free model. While most platforms take a percentage of donations as processing fees, Zeffy ensures that nonprofits receive 100% of their funds. This unique approach makes Zeffy a standout choice for organizations looking to maximize their fundraising potential. Beyond its zero fee structure, Zeffy offers a powerful suite of tools that cater to all types of fundraising needs, from simple donation campaigns to complex peer to peer fundraising and event ticketing. Its built in automation, donor management features, and seamless integrations with third party tools make it an all in one solution for nonprofit organizations. Additionally, Zeffy provides an easy to use platform that requires no technical expertise, allowing nonprofits of all sizes to set up campaigns quickly. Its transparent and donor friendly model fosters trust and encourages more giving, making it an excellent choice for any organization looking to optimize its fundraising strategy. So basically, Zeffy is a game changer in the world of nonprofit fundraising, providing organizations with a completely fee free platform that includes powerful tools for donor management, event ticketing, peer to peer campaigns, and more. By eliminating transaction fees, Zeffy allows nonprofits to retain 100% of their donations, making every fundraising effort more impactful. So, if your nonprofit is looking for a better way to raise funds while keeping every dollar donated, Zeffy is the perfect solution. Start using Zeffy today to take your fundraising efforts to the next level. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.